Soja. It's a reggae band. A lot of alternative and reggae and like old school rock, I guess. The team, softball. It's just so much fun being around everyone and the camaraderie that I gain every single day from being around the team. Well, I wanted to go to a big school, and I fell in love with Purdue the second I stepped on campus, and I love the coaches and the team. My goals for this season are to be a leader on and off the field, and also to just have that competitive edge, and like my attitude has to be like completely winning attitude, nothing else.